Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom battle group in Warno. To do this, first we'll need to click on Armory, then navigate to the battle groups right here. Then you should be able to find create, click on it once, then pick the battalion that you want to use. And in this case we can go for the French one, like this. Then select it, and right here you'll be able to create your battalion, or a battle group, by adding different unit cards in different slots. So you have logistics, infantry, artillery, tanks, recon, AA, which is anti-air, helicopters, and air. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.